So my guests have come. The bell just rang. A few days ago, I made a Pomfret Tel Jhal, which is a pomfret dish made in a Bengali style. Give it a try. I would love people who are non-Bengali, even from Mumbai, to give it a try, which is why I keep my recipes in English. I made it today because a lot of you had requested it when I had made it the last time. And see, I'm drooling while talking about it. Oh my god, how will I stay thin? Try it. So this is 1 kg pomfret. Accordingly, I've taken 6 chopped onions, 3 tomatoes, and take some green chilies based on how much you can tolerate. I've taken 4 potatoes, cut them like French fries. There's ginger garlic paste, some basic masala, and of course, salt and sugar to taste. Marinate with salt to taste and some turmeric. Once marinated, fry the fish. This is a very nice recipe. I must give credit. I learned this recipe from a channel called Shampa's Kitchen during the pandemic. Now fry the potatoes. Add some salt and little turmeric. Fry this well. Now remove the potato. Now add a teaspoon of, we say, kalo jeera. It's called Nigella seeds, kalo jeera or kalonji. Now add your onion. Fry this till it changes color. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes and the green chili according to your taste. Now cook this for another minute. Add some ginger paste and add some garlic paste. Again, keep cooking. Now I'm going to add the masalas. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, some salt to taste, and a little bit of sugar. Add some water and cook this till the oil separates. So now the oil has separated and this is how it looks. At this stage, I'm going to add the fried potatoes and then give this a good mix. Koshao and koshao and koshao. Now I've cooked the potato for a bit and I'm going to add some warm water. Add water according to how much gravy you want. I like it a little thick, as in Bengali we say makha makha. First I'm going to see if this works. Otherwise, if needed, I will add more water. Now let's bring this to a boil and then I'm going to add the fish. Now it's come to a boil, time to add the fish. Now I want to try and put some of the fish down, yet I don't want to increase the gravy because I want to keep it makha makha. Now I'm going to let it cook in the open actually. I won't cover it for say about 5 minutes and the Pomfret Tel Jhal will be ready. Give it a try guys, it's damn nice. I've learned it from Shampa's Kitchen, that's the channel on YouTube. And only thing is she puts whole cumin and I put kalo jeera, which is Nigella. That's the only difference. It's yum and I have some guests over, hope they like it. Pomfret Tel Jhal, a very typical Bengali dish that you guys wanted me to kind of capture for you. The next time I make it, I have some guests who are pomfret lovers, which is why I've made this. 5 minutes are done. I'm going to add a little garam masala powder and just give it a mix. And my fish is ready.